Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung HW-B630F soundbar, and before you make a choice on upgrading your home audio setup, you need to watch this complete review. We've done comprehensive research on this popular soundbar system, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. In this video we'll evaluate the Samsung HW-B630F based on price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Samsung HW-B630F standout feature is its exceptional dialogue clarity, powered by a dedicated center channel speaker. This isn't just marketing speak, the built-in center channel dramatically enhances voice reproduction, making it perfect for movie enthusiasts who've struggled with mumbled dialogue in action scenes. The system delivers 300 W of total power output, with the wireless subwoofer contributing significant bass depth that you can feel in your chest during explosive movie moments. Speaking of specifications, this 2.1-channel soundbar measures 35.4 inches wide, making it ideal for TVs ranging from 43 to 65 inches. The wireless subwoofer operates on 2.4 GHz frequency, providing reliable connectivity up to 30 feet away from the main unit. Samsung has targeted this soundbar specifically at streaming enthusiasts, gamers, and families who want cinema-quality audio without the complexity of a full surround system. What makes the HW-B630F truly remarkable is its multi-directional spatial audio technology. Without requiring rear speakers, this system creates an immersive virtual surround sound experience that genuinely moves around you. The soundbar uses advanced audio processing to place sounds precisely in 3D space, whether you're watching the latest Marvel movie or playing competitive games on your console. Moreover, the seamless Bluetooth connectivity supports two devices simultaneously, allowing you to switch effortlessly between your smartphone and laptop. The system supports Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring stable connections and superior audio quality when streaming from Spotify or Apple Music. This feature proves invaluable for households where multiple family members want to share the sound system throughout the day. The gaming optimization deserves special mention. The Game Mode Pro feature delivers multi-directional sound that tracks on-screen action while employing crosstalk noise cancellation technology. This means footsteps and first-person shooters come from accurate directions, while background chatter gets filtered out, giving competitive gamers a genuine advantage. Response time drops to under 40 ms in game mode, virtually eliminating audio lag. Additionally, the adaptive sound technology automatically analyzes content and adjusts audio settings accordingly. Whether you're watching a documentary with lots of narration, an action movie with explosions, or a concert with complex musical arrangements, the soundbar optimizes frequency response and sound staging without manual intervention. The One Remote Control feature integrates seamlessly with Samsung TVs from 2017 onwards, allowing you to control power, volume, and sound modes using just your TV remote. This eliminates remote clutter and simplifies the user experience significantly. Furthermore, the soundbar supports HDMI, eARC, optical, and Bluetooth connections, ensuring compatibility with virtually any modern entertainment device. However, one notable downside is the lack of dedicated rear speakers or the option to add them later. While the virtual surround processing is impressive, audiophiles seeking true 5.1 or 7.1 surround may find the spatial effects somewhat limited compared to physical rear channels. Some users may also find the bass slightly overwhelming in smaller rooms, though this can be adjusted through the companion app. The setup process takes approximately 15 minutes, with the wireless subwoofer pairing automatically when powered on. The included wall mounting kit supports both above and below TV installation, with clear instructions that even novice users can follow. You got it! So, that's it for the best soundbar value on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped your decision, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.